Yo. Starting off the day with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and first orders up is a stacked McDonald's. I thought I was going to the same person, but apparently it's 2 orders. On the little map, when I was accepting the order, it looked like it was the same house, but they're probably just right next to each other. Either way, this is going about 4 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the McDonald's app today?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, those two were like walking distance from each other. Not terrible. And total for that stack was $13. Ooh, okay. That was really good, actually. Average wait time is 1 to 2 minutes, by the way. Meanwhile, it's been about at least 10 minutes since the last order was dropped off. Coming up on 20 minutes now and still haven't gotten the next order. Okay, here we go. Finally. This is a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. Lobby's supposed to be open, but guess we're not doing that today.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. Can I be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Total for that one was $13. What the heck? Huge tip on that one, actually. Thank you, thank you. Oh, they would give me this right as I passed the restaurant. This is a donut nook. This one's going across the river, so probably gonna be trash. This one is going 8 miles.
Wow, it's really not working.
Can I get this one?
That's a dead end. I think I've actually delivered to them before, because I remember this being a dead end. Well, I remember being in the situation, and I was just thinking about that on the way here. Like, have I had repeat customers across the river? That may have been the first. Anyways, total for that one was just under $15. I mean, not bad, but I'm also pretty deep into uncharted territory, so I gotta drive a long way back. Okay, this might be a terrible mistake, but it looks good. Maybe too good to be true. We've got a McDonald's, $10 going 1 mile. I mean, it's only 1 mile. Even if it's terrible, like, it should be pretty quick. That was supposed to be a meet at door, but they're probably still asleep. Got the next order right away. I already forgot the details on this one. It was a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 plus, go in 4 miles, only 2 items. Oh, I guess they really want me to stick around. Got a Starbucks, $8, going about 2.5 miles. Thank you. Yeah, there you are. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, I think I gotta pause the apps and start making my way home. It's only getting busier. A lot more drivers and a lot less parking spots for me. Okay, I got an order heading back into my zone. It's not amazing, but at least I'm getting paid for the mileage. This is Brewed Cafe, $9, going 7 miles. Thank you.
You use around 24 at 7, or do you just run when you get there?
Just when I pick up and drop off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Well, hang on to the door.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you have a good day.
You as well.
Thanks.
Next up is a Krispy Kreme. This one is $9 and change, going about 6 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Next order up, we've got a Muchas Gracias. This one is going 4 miles. Hello, for Kennedy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $7 and got the next one right away. This is a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. Got a little biker gang at the McDonald's today. Total for that one was $7. Not bad. That one was really quick too. Okay, time to drive home very slowly, just in case another order wants to pull me away. Current time is 9:22. I've got no idea what the total is going to be because I'm waiting on at least 2 Uber tips, and I still have to add up all the DoorDash shifts. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.